Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to continue the prose Who Owns the Water. We have seen the section 1. Today we are going to see section 2. Shall we continue the section 2, children? A pack of wild dogs. Wild dogs means they live in the forest. The wild dogs live in the forest. Catching the scent of boar in the wind, came to the spot where he had lain. See, children, the wild boar was laying in that hole where the bird made a hole. Now the wild dogs got the smell of the scent of the boar and came to that spot. They sniffed. Sniffed means to breathe in air in a noisy way. They sniffed the circle that was rich with the smell of the animal. So they stood in a circle and they were smelling that place. They got the smell of the boar, no? So they are smelling it. They whined and snarled. Wind means made a high pitched cry. They were crying because they could not find the boar, no? Snarled, made a deep angry noise. They were very angry and dug at the smell as if digging the elusive boar himself out of the ground. They thought the boar is there and they were digging it with full of anger because they did not find. Finally, realizing that there was no dinner to be found there, they departed, their noses and tails high in the air. With a full of anger, they departed, and in doing so, they left the hole a little bigger and wider than they had found it. And then what happened, you will ask? Do other animals came along too? They do indeed, my child. I told you the hole had a story to tell. Not long after, the rain came. It poured and poured, and only those of us who have seen the monsoons will know what it means. It rained without stopping for 3 days. Without stopping for 3 days, it was raining 3 days and 3 nights, and the dry earth soaked up the moisture as the hungry puppy laps up milk. Moisture means wetness caused by the water. Due to the rain, the dry land became wet, soaked with the moisture. You see, children, you know about the monsoon. When the monsoon comes, the rain will be very heavy. The whole earth smelled wet and fresh, and even the normally serious looking people in the village went around with smiles on their faces. See, when the rain comes, you know that when they cultivate the paddy or other grains, they will be very happy when the rain comes because it will be very much flourishing. So, with a smile on their faces, the village people were with a smile on their faces. See, children, how they are going around their land because of the water. The hole in the ground collected the water that fell and ground around its edges. The grass grew and brighter green. Soon buffaloes discovered the grassy spot, and as buffaloes want to do, they wallowed in the muddy water, turning the hole into a muddy pit. See, when the grassy was green, buffaloes came to eat it, and they saw the muddy water, and they fell inside, and they went inside, and they were rolling up and down. Wallowed means to lie and roll in mud. So you can see the buffaloes. I was not there to see, but I am told that many afternoons did the buffaloes gather, and thus with a multitude of hoofs trampling the soil, the pit that was once a tiny depression widened and grew and became a little watering hole. See, many buffaloes came. Multitude means a large number of people. Trampling means crushing. So they came and the hole became very big because all the buffaloes went inside and they were turning, lying down and rolling the mud in the mud, and they were making the water dirty. So the hole became very big, widened, okay, broadened. They all lived happily ever after. So here they all lived very happily ever after. After the rain, the grass became very green and so on. The buffaloes were very happy. You will say in glee. Glee means great merriment. But that rarely happens in real tales, my dear. There is more to go, so you will have to wait a while. So you can see in the next class the next section and what it is going to happen. Now let us see. Complete the sentences given below with words and phrases. The wild dogs came to the spot to catch the wild boar. The rains came and poured without stopping for 3 days and 3 nights. The whole earth smelled dash and dash. The whole earth smelled dash and dash, children, wet and fresh. So the whole earth smelled wet and fresh. The hole in the ground was filled with water. The hole was filled with water. The buffalo dashed in the hole. What the buffaloes did in the hole? Rolled in the dirty water which was in. The hole became dash and dash. The hole became dash and dash, widened and became a little watering hole. So please learn, children, read the lesson.